In this video, I'll show you how to install the Play Store on your LG TV. Step 1. The LG TV app ecosystem. The LG TV uses WebOS, which does not natively support the Google Play Store. Apps are downloaded via the LG Content Store. Step 2. Find apps using the LG Content Store. You can press Home on your remote. Scroll and select LG Content Store. Use the search function to find the desired apps. Step 3. Sideload or cast apps. For non-available apps, consider screen mirroring from Android devices using built-in Maracast or casting features. Some developers provide downloadable .ipk packages, but caution is advised when sideloading third-party apps. Step 4. Stay safe and updated. Only install apps from trusted sources and regularly update your LG TV firmware and apps for best performance. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you.